Hey guys, welcome back to another Miki tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up level up messages in 3 different ways. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is enable this feature. To enable it, we're going to type /level up message enable. Now people can actually level up by typing in any channel. Once enabled, we can start our custom message. So let's start with the first example. The first example is the basic method. This is the easiest message, and it's going to look like what I highlighted, just some basic text. So let's run the command /level up message set. This is so we can set a custom message, and then we can write our basic message here. You can add any text you want here. I'll just keep it simple and write, hey, congratulations, you leveled up. Another thing we can add are emojis. You can choose custom server emojis or just the Discord built-in ones. For my message, I'll just choose a random smiley face. Once I picked my emoji, I'll click enter. And you'll get a little confirmation that it got saved. You can even test your message by typing /level up message test. It will show you what message will be sent when someone levels up, and it should be the one you set. So that was the first example, just some text and emoji that you can easily set. Now we can go on to the second example, the advanced method. The advanced method includes the username of the person who leveled up, their actual level, and so much more. So let's jump right into it. The first thing we need to do is set our message. So let's type /level up message set, just like the first example. Alright, so let's start with a simple message, congratulations. But now I wanted to mention the user that just leveled up. And to do this, we need to run a command. This command is going to be user.mention with a bracket and a $sign. Now, I don't expect you to memorize these, so I just put on screen a few examples of other commands you might want to use, and also an example of what they would do. Remember, you can use these in any order you want. Just make sure if you're using a command to type the command exactly as shown on screen. So moving on, I also wanted to tell them what level they are now. So to do that, we're going to use the level command, which is just level, but with a bracket and $sign. Here's an example on screen. All this command does is tell them what level they are. And with that set, my message is complete. So I'm going to send this message. And then let's run the test command to see how it looks. We did it, now it mentions me and it tells me what my level is. Now there's still one more example I want to show you, and that's embeds. Notice how this message has like a red line, a gray box in the background, it's formatted different. That's called an embed. And it's super easy to set up. So let's start by typing /level up message set to set our message. And all we need to add is the word embed. This is the embed command. As shown on screen, this will add whatever message you include inside this command into an embed. So we can write whatever we want inside the embed. I'll just write the classic congratulations. And this time I wanted to say their username without mentioning them, so I'll write user.name. Again, I attached some commands on screen that you might want to use. Now I'll finish my message and just write just leveled up. And I also wanted to mention them. So I'll use the mentions command and the levels command. And to finish this off, I want to mention the user and give them their levels. So I'll type user.mention command and the levels command. And now that I finished my message, I'm going to add a quotation mark and a parenthesis. So if you look at it, it's all inside the embed command. Now, there's still a few more options we can add to make this really customizable. One of those options is color using the .color command, and I'll set mine to yellow. If you don't know what the color is, it's this little red strip on the side of the command. You can change it to any color. I'll set mine to yellow. The next option we have is title. If we go back to the example, the title is this text at the very top of the embed and it's bolded. We can set this to whatever we'd like by using the .title command. You can even add an emoji to the title, which I'm going to do because I love emojis. Remember, you can choose any emoji, even from servers or Discord built-in ones. I'll just choose a random food for this one. And then I'll add in the rest of my title, level up. Remember, you can make it whichever you want. Now there's one more thing to add, and that's the avatar of the person on the right side of the message. That's easy. We're just going to use the .thumbnail command. Here's the command on screen. This command will show the user's avatar in the message. And finally, with that complete, I think our message is set. Let's go ahead and send this. Now let's run the test command and see how it looks. So let's type /level up message test. And we did it! We created a cool looking embed with a yellow color, commands, and even the avatar. Remember, you can set whatever message you want, you can make it in any order you want, and you can do it however you would like. There's a lot more commands to use. I'll attach a link in the description with a full list of commands so you can really customize this how you want it to be. And of course, you can always edit your message whenever you want. All you have to do is type /levelupMessage set with your new message, and you can do this as many times as you need to. Perfect, now that we've finished our 3 examples, I want to show you some other key features that Miki has. One of those features is disabling leveling up in specific channels. So let's say I don't want people to level up in this channel. So to do that, we would have to type /channel configuration experience, or just this first option, click it, and then we'll set it to false. Now with that option set, no one will be able to gain levels in this channel that I ran the message in. Now if I change my mind and I want to re-enable it, I just type the exact same command, but this time set it to true, and it would re-enable all XP in this channel. Perfect. Now there's one more thing I want to talk about, and that's disabling leveling up system. You can always disable it for your entire server whenever you want. And to disable the XP system, we would run the command /levelupMessage disable. And you'll get a confirmation message saying it's now been disabled in your entire server. And again, you can always re-enable it by just typing /levelupMessage enable. And that's how you customize level up messages on Miki. Now, there's a whole new way to do this all on our dashboard, so if you want to learn how to do that but on the dashboard, click the video there and you'll learn how. As always, if you get stuck in any part of this process, please join our support server, link in the description. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.